Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the exciting world of gravel bikes. For those who love mixing pavement with dirt paths, exploring hidden trails, and seeking adventure beyond the city limits, a gravel bike might be your perfect match. Let's break down what makes these bikes so special. Cut to B-roll footage of a gravel bike being ridden on various terrains: scenic gravel path, dirt road, light single track. Imagine a bike that's comfortable on smooth roads like your trusty road bike, but tough enough to handle bumpy paths and light off-road challenges. That's the magic of a gravel bike. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Compared to a road bike, a gravel bike has a few key features. Wider tires. These chunky guys provide more grip and cushion on loose terrain, soaking up bumps and keeping you rolling smoothly. Think of them like off-road tires for your bike. Relaxed geometry. The frame is designed for a more upright riding position, giving you better control and comfort on uneven surfaces. It's like having a built-in shock absorber for your back. Disc brakes. These offer superior stopping power in all weather conditions, crucial when you're dealing with mud, rain, or dusty trails. No more sketchy braking on those descents. Mounting points. Many gravel bikes come with mounts for racks and fenders, allowing you to carry gear for bikepacking adventures or add some splash protection on wet rides. Basically, you can turn your gravel bike into a mini exploration machine. Cut to close-up shots of the different features mentioned. Host voiceover. Now, performance is key. Gravel bikes can be surprisingly fast on smooth roads, but they truly shine off-road. Their wider tires and robust frames allow you to tackle a wider variety of terrain with confidence. Cut back to host. But wait, there's more. Cut to B-roll footage of different types of gravel bikes being ridden. Host voiceover. The beauty of gravel bikes is their versatility. There are different types catering to specific needs. Adventure bikes. Built for exploring rougher terrain, with even wider tires and slacker geometry for ultimate stability. Endurance road bikes. A great option for long rides, offering a blend of road bike speed with some gravel capabilities. Gravel race bikes. These prioritize speed on gravel paths, boasting lighter frames and more aggressive geometry for competitive riding. Cut back to host. No matter your riding style, there's a gravel bike out there that can be your trusty companion. It's the perfect escape machine for those weekend adventures, a way to explore the hidden gems off the beaten path. Cut to B-roll footage of a cyclist on a gravel bike enjoying the scenery and stopping to take photos. Host voiceover. So, if you're ready to ditch the pavement and embrace the thrill of the unknown, a gravel bike might just be your ticket to adventure. Thanks for joining us today, and happy riding. Outro music. Call to action. Leave a comment below with your favorite gravel riding spots and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cycling content.